Hi there, I'm Katie from Live Video Podcasting Coach, and welcome to the Thrive with Live in 5 News Bites to help you create a great online presence. So we're talking about today, what equipment do you need for a beginner podcaster? What essentials? So first of all, I'd recommend that you think about your microphone. Now, you don't have to spend anything, just go use your smartphone if you've got one, which is what I'm actually doing at the moment. The quality is not incredible, but it just gets you into action and it's what you're used to. So I'm creating a voice memo at the moment, so easy to do on my phone. So then I'd recommend that you get a microphone. You don't have to spend a fortune. A really good one that I recommend that isn't too expensive at all is called the Samsung Q2U, and you can buy that everywhere on Amazon, etc. And it comes with a free pop shield or wind shield, which is like a sponge thing that goes over the top of it to help with the plosive sounds. Then I recommend you get an app for your phone or computer, and there are free ones. Anchor is really popular and has got a lot better these days. It's actually made by Spotify now. And there's also one called Podbean. Both of them are good. They've got editing functions on there, so there's nothing else that you really need from there. And Anchor also has music for free as well. So I would really recommend that you go and practice, get into action, get out of thinking too much about it, getting overwhelmed about it and getting confused about all the technology and how to use it. Just get into action. And you need to practice anyway, because speaking into the void is very weird. And often we can think, oh, what am I going to talk about for half an hour? You'll be amazed what you can do. So I'd recommend you get into action. Just speak to yourself on your phone every day for a few minutes, chatting about anything you want. How has your day been or whatever, and getting out of inaction and into action. So go practice and let me know how you get on. Bye.